how to trade in Roblox. If you want to trade in Roblox, open up your browser and go to roblox.com. Now remember that to be able to trade on Roblox, you need to have a premium. So if you don't have premium, you won't be able to find it. So after you go to roblox.com and you log into your account, tap on the three lines icon from the top left of the screen, and then there you can see the option called trade. Now when you come to trade, here you can see your inbound, inactive, outbound or completed trades. Let's say that you're looking for a specific item to trade. At the top you go to the option called marketplace, and when you go to marketplace you can search for that specific item that you want to trade. So you simply go ahead and search for that specific item and you go ahead and then open up that items page. When you open up that items page, these are the options that you will be able to see. From the bottom you can see the option called resellers. So go to that resellers option and go to that person's profile. So whoever's price you see fit, go to that person's profile. Now you tap on the three dots next to that person's profile and there you'll find the option called trade. In my case, I'm not finding it because I do not have premium myself, but if you do have premium, when you tap the three dots here, you'll find the trade button from where you'll be able to trade that item on Roblox. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.